Now, if you already heard, you already just know that the tropical storm, as it is, looks like it's going to be a Hurricane 1. Probably not. But I just heard today that the tropical storm, Isaias, is coming North Carolina at 2 a.m. That will be Tuesday. 2 a.m. Will be tomorrow. Monday at 2, it hits South Carolina. 2 a.m. it will hit North Carolina. And we'll be knocking down trees and power lines, and we might get some rain for sure. But we'll make it. But here's what they just told them that where it's coming from. Here, and it says on TV, and it says tropical storm Isaias will bring heavy rain and tropical storm force winds to eastern North Carolina this evening through Tuesday morning. Miles 60 miles per hour and movement north or 360 degrees at 13 miles per hour. Now I've been told about the storm that is can continue. There's nothing I can do about it, and there's nothing we can do about for that storm. And it's it might get a little bit worse. And it just did. Since the pandemic, what happened? What the storm is all about? We don't know, but we just know it will make a landfall and it will hit North Carolina at 2 a.m. That will be Tuesday, 2 a.m. And we are just like 8 hours away, 8 hours away, because as of right now. Now let's take a look. The National Hurricane Center is warning residents of the Carolinas to brace for the impacts of tropical storm Isaias, which is set to make landfall as a hurricane in northeastern South Carolina and southern North Carolina by Monday evening. The storm is set to legally in North Carolina on Monday, travel inland through nights before swirling up mid-Atlantic coast and into the northeastern United States, eastern U.S. on Tuesday night. Heavy rainfall from Isaias will result in floods and umbrella flooding. Some of the risk may be in sacrifices in the north, northeastern Carolinas and the mid-Atlantic. The Tuesday night, then the path of Isaias at the east coast of the United States. Widespread mountain river flooding is possible across portions of the Carolinas and the mid-Atlantic. The National Hurricane Center said in its 2 p.m. Eastern Storm update. The center warned that tornadoes are also possible over the coastal Carolinas through Tuesday evening and through eastern Virginia and New England on Tuesday as well. Now, the storm has already affected parts of Florida, having grazed in the east coast of the state as a tropical storm on Sunday, dumping some 2 to 4 inches of rain and knocking out power for 300 customers, according to the Miami Herald. Officials are warning of the potentially more severe outcome in some parts of North and South Carolina, particularly in the stretch from the South San Antonio River in South Carolina to Sauk City in NC, which are under a hurricane watch. A wind spinning from the coastal waters of Georgia to the Virginia coast could see several feet of storm surge as the storm progressed. Further complaining matters is that the coronavirus pandemic requires storm shelters. It may be difficult to maintain a social distance to prevent the virus spread. In a Sunday tweet, North Carolina Governor Will Cooper announces the Complaints Management Board epidemic and a tropical storm at the same our state has warranted more than our fair share of storms, he said. We know how to plan, prepare, and respond when it's over. Nothing about that has changed, but this time we're going to do it with a mask on. happening in our neighborhoods and loved ones, and even more importantly, as this storm is approached. Now, Ron Cooper tweeted and says it's excellent to listen to local officials and foreign and advocational orders when they are issued issue. During the pandemic, Lawhorn has been the safest place, but this may change as Azure arrives. The most important thing is to get out on its way if we are told to evacuate. So this is what he says. This is what he says now. This dawn is gonna come to. It's gonna come at 2 a.m. and it's gonna knock out trees and power lines included, and it's gonna get worse. So anyway, please stay safe if you can, and and enjoy enjoy. But please stay at home. Please stay safe if you can, and please be calm. It's the calm before the storm, Laura. And that is, and just the way it is. That's all I had to say. This is Joseph Cook for the Joseph Cook Show. I see you more on Tuesday and more on this tropical storm update.